Who you, please?
My name's Mr. Ambrose Kofi Osolo from Adibawa Oil Field, owned by Edagbury Stroke Better Line Community, JK4 in Outer West, local government area, River State. At the same time, the CDC secretary of the community.
Yeah. We are here again. I believe we have visited this site before, and we have seen a very big difference. What can you tell us about this history of this place?
Yes, actually the NGOs, the areas has visited this site some time ago, around July 2015, when the spill occurred. So after much publication through the area, the SPDC happens to come in for, they came in around 2016, sometime March. They came in here for verification. At the same time, they said they want to do some cleanup, which we allow them. After 1 or 2 days up, they burn the place off, which we are still shouting through the NGO that the SPDC has been able to burn our bush and forests. And this is well 16 in Adibawa Oil Field. Thereafter, we have been expecting them to come and do work, but nothing has been done until recently. Now they came on this April. On the 5th of April, they worked 2 weeks job with excavator clearing this site like this. As you can see, this is the extent of the site, but they are yet to reach the end. They run out because of rain. You can go to the west, north, and east side. As large as the site is, you can see the whole area that I'm pointing. But here the clearing is not up to the ending of the site. We are assuming that we still have more 13 kilometers ahead before the water side.
Yes, I observed that you mentioned well 16, but the spill occurred at which well? Well 8?
This well is a combination of well 8 and well 16.
But the
particular tree that came out was well 8.
Okay. Yeah. Good. So how far has the community seen the job Shell is doing now?
The community, for the fact that the community has a lower hand with the SPDC. We've been crying. Over at the time they came to the site, we requested that some supplement should be given to the community, which they said the meeting will be booked. Up till now, no meeting has been booked.
Any compensation?
There was no compensation paid.
Okay. Who is the contractor doing the job?
Jolio, a contractor from XPDC. The company name is called Jolio Enterprise.
Okay. What do you think they will do with all these trees that they have
The actual aim were that these trees that they've picked, they are supposed to carry them out to the SPDC dump site. But they work for 2 weeks job. After the first rain of this year, the contractor happened to flare out from the site, telling the workers that his job has finished. So we are still yet expecting them what to do with these gathering heaps.
Okay. Do they have any Shell dump site close to your environment?
No, SPD has no Shell dump site. Rather that they took it to their area in Colo Creek. But you can see, as we are standing, at this present time of the day, the company left this site a week before now. But you can see that there is no water. And I don't know why they say there is water and they left the site.
Are you sure they will come back? We are not seeing even the swamp bookie. We are not seeing any equipment.
We are not hoping that they will come back. It was a deceit they used because all their equipment, all the material has been gone. What Shell is embarking now is other project.
Okay, and is the community fully aware of what is happening here?
The community is fully aware, and that is the extent of the community sending me to represent them in order to cry and call for the NGOs so that they should be able to carry the voices of the people along.
Thank you very much. You have anything to add, you can add.
Yes, and as you can see, this is a very large farm area and a very economical area. The people plant plantain, plantain, palm fruit, cassava and yams. But for the fact of this dump that has been done since 2015, there's no useful thing that can be able to germinate here. So we are still begging that the NGOs should please send our message across to where SPDC should be questioned and called upon. And even the government should come and testify things by their side, the state environmental, that they can see that there is no proper recovery in this field.